So, the support of Windows 8.1 are gone for now. And in this video I will show you if one day after his support ending something change. So let's continue. So it's 10:22 a.m. and I just wake up and speed up to go start my PC as fast possible way and get ready to get to the end of support screen. But I was surprised. I don't get the screen. So yeah, that's very confusing. And then I got a plan. What if I start my virtual machine? There will be the screen. So let's see. Oh yeah, I just stopped the time, lol. Let's try restart the VM. I hope that time fix this. Yo, what? Okay. And what about the site from Microsoft? About the end of support? That's interesting. Okay, so what are changed or added or deleted or what even? Well, if you want today download an app from Microsoft Store, you click on install, it will show this message. But some apps that I pause in the stream, link is here by the way, can be installed anyway. And I think that this is a bug, and I think that the apps, this means that store apps are today available today, but you can't download the apps from officially Microsoft Store of Windows 8.1 or Windows 8. And yeah, you can still download him from command prompt, but I don't know how to do that. But if you can see some videos about them, there's a lot videos about that, but not for Windows 8. So we must wait that one YouTuber make a one simple video about how to do that. I know that it can be do that because the apps are still there and Microsoft didn't remove him. So yeah. So final question. Can we add online account to the Windows 8? So let's see. Oh wow, I'm surprised. You can still do that. Still in this day. And it also shows still what advantages it has. So yeah, and downloading the apps from store is broken. It took me 50 minutes to do it, set up the apps. Only the apps. Updates are fine, but apps are broken. Oh yes, and fun fact, you can still go to the Microsoft website to download the ISO file from Windows 8. A link is in the description and you can still download. So go here and download fast as you can, or it will be deleted, the site. So go away and check it out. Thank you.